Right, so what you see here is the growth of a AI-based site, right? All this you see here, I mean, is not a lot yet, but we just started the case study 2 weeks back, is all done and leveraging AI. So this site is this one right here. This is in Portuguese. We're targeting the international markets, and I'll tell you why in a second here. But all these articles, right, are done with AI. And I can click here, right, from the featured images, which I mean look great. This is all done with AI. And if I translate this to English, right, you'll see that this is an article about how to eliminate mosquitoes in indoor plants, right? And this, of course, this image is tailored to what the article is about, right? All this is done with AI, the proper content structuring, right? With in-article links, so links linking out to other pages on our site, right? This is another page, another article that's relevant, right? It's in the same line, right? So internal links, right, to other articles with in-article images, tables, quotes, bullets, also in-article videos that are relevant to what the article is about, right? This in Portuguese, but it tells you here 11 low-light plants, and this, of course, is an article about indoor plants that require low light, and even talks about this here, right? So the article talks about low-light plants. All the content is about low-light plants, the indoor plants, so the images, the links, right? Even the videos that are tailored to what this is about. This is all done with AI, and every single article on this site right here is published leveraging AI technology, in specific journalist AI right here. And again, I just wanted to record this quick video to show you that AI does work, and we're starting to see results right here. Right? All this you see here, I mean, granted, it is still not a lot, right? We see here that it's finally picking up steam, and it is growing, right? So the trajectory is up, and as more posts get indexed in Google, so if I just go here and do this, as more posts get indexed, which quite a lot of them are right now, I mean, not enough, but some of them are, right? As it picks up steam, we're going to start to see some more rankings. Now, I do want to talk about the reason why we're targeting international markets. Again, like I said, this is all in Portuguese. I've just translated it, but all the articles are in Portuguese. And the reason why we're doing it is because it's way easier to target these less competitive markets. So because there's not many search or not many, actually there's a lot of search for these terms, but because there's not enough supply to satisfy the demand, so not enough content being produced to satisfy all the demand, so all the search, it's easier for us to leverage this site and have AI produce content for it and outrank any single competitor. And all this because, of course, the articles look great, right? With in-article images, featured images, videos, tables, quotes, internal links, external links, right? All this done properly with AI. So a human couldn't compete, right? We're posting, I think, 2 articles every single day. Let me just scroll down here, right? I think we're posting, 9th of February. Yeah, we're posting about 2 to 3 articles, or 4, even more. I think it's 4 articles, 5 articles every day, right? So no human could compete with this. And again, like I said before, all articles have featured images, tables of contents, internal links, external links, all this. And this works for any niche. If I just go here, type in golden, you'll see here some articles that I've generated for the dog grooming niche. So all this, right? And all of them have proper featured images, tables of contents, proper content structure with in-article links, external links. Videos are relevant, like I said before, to what the content is about. So a video, an article about dog grooming, of course, we have a link or a video about dog grooming, right? For example, this is an external link linking out to another page, right? Another authoritative source, right? And this anchor text is about clipping nails. And of course, it links out to an article about trimming your dog's nails. So all this is relevant. And if a human were to do this, it would take so much longer, right? And I could just go here and click publish to my site manually, go here, publish to my site, go here, publish to my site, or just go here and publish them all at the same time. But what I'm doing with this site right here is I have an auto blog running. So this auto blog is right here, this one right here called, this means indoor plants in Portuguese. It's publishing 1 article every 6 hours. So I can increase this. I can just put 4 every day if I want, or I can just do 300 every 6 hours if I want, but I'm just want to keep it as natural as possible, so just doing 1 every 6 hours. But a human couldn't compete with this. A human couldn't compete with this because there's all these things he has to do, right? If we think about a ladder where success here is publishing an article, a human has to do the keyword research, right? Has to actually write the article, then has to source and publish, put the images in the article. Same thing for videos. Then the internal links, then the external links, then actually posting it takes so much time. Then indexing it. By the way, this also indexes the content for you automatically. We have an indexer set up so that every single time an article is published from journalist, so a journalist is connected with my site, right? And it's generating plus it's publishing the content, right? It also automatically is indexing the content. So every time an article is published, it's automatically sent to Google for indexing, which is super cool. And on top of that, if you don't know what keywords to write content about, it also does the keyword research for you. That's a K, right? And if you're monitors, we can add our site if you want right here, and add the language and all that, and it will give you right keywords that are tailored to what your niche is, And in this case, it's wrong because I haven't updated this yet, but it'll give you keywords tailored to what your niche is. And you can take these keywords and have the AI produce content based on those keywords via the Autoblog, right? So again, short video today, but I did want to show you this, that it is in fact working. And AI does work if done correctly, right? These articles are actually available to the users, have images, have visual material, links to authority sources, interlinks. So these articles interlink between each other in a way that makes sense. None of this is random. And so it's actually valuable content because you're able to produce valuable content leveraging AI. And the proof of it is that Google is actually valuing this and showing this to its users. And Google only shows content to users that it thinks it's valuable, right? And oftentimes people say that AI content is bad or AI content doesn't rank. The reality is that Google doesn't care who or writes the content as long as it is valuable to the end user. So if you're able to produce quality content with AI, Google doesn't really care, right? As long as it is valuable to the user. So yeah, that's it. Short one today, but hopefully you find it valuable. And if you do want to try it out, right, this works for any language. You can generate content in over 160 different languages, right? This is the generation tab. You can go here and generate content in over 150 different languages. So if you want to target international markets that are less competitive, you can so with this. And there's a bunch more stuff you can do with this, like the creativity levels, like tone of voice, like the point of view. You can even connect this to the web so that the content is up to date. And even I'm just going to go here and load my preset, right? This is my preset for this, the content that's being produced to this site of ours, right? To this site right here, right? And you see the preset here. Firstly, we are generating content based on titles, so all of these titles, right? And then languages in Portuguese, of course, target country Portugal, high creativity level because I think it makes sense for a niche like this to write creative content. Tone of voice, informal, first point of view, first person singular. I didn't add any custom instructions, but I did connect this to the web. I enabled all of these right here. I didn't add a call to action, but if I were selling a product, for example, if I were selling, I don't know, plants, I could add a call to action here. And at the bottom of each article, right, at the bottom of each one of these articles, there would be like a dedicated call to action linking out to my Shopify store or something, right? We can do this right here. Article size is medium. I added my internal link here, so all these articles, all new articles that are going to be generated, will interlink between each other and taking into account all these links. I also added link density. I also added external links, so linking out to other authority sources. Images, I chose AI-based images, and videos I also enabled them, right? So this is what I did, and this is what you can do too. I'll leave a link for this in the description so you can try it out. I know I spoke too fast, but yeah, sorry about that. I'll try to slow down in future videos. Cheers.